Suite Cleaning Task Tutorial by Ms. Cundiff and Ms. Taylor. Why? This will be a quick tutorial on the common areas within your suites and how to clean them. We want to make sure we have consistent cleanliness standards across the dorm. Shower area. Cleanliness expectations. Scrub the shower walls and floor, wipe and clean the bottom of the curtain, remove hair from the drain. Hey y'all, it's Ms. Taylor showing you how we're going to clean our showers here. So we have scrubbing bubbles for the showers and sponges. So if we're going to come over here, you should always want to clean off your hardware. Everyone's shower doesn't look like this, but you should at least have some hardware here. You want to directly spray onto the hardware, anywhere that's silver, and then spray on the floor of your shower. And then you're going to scrub every portion of the hardware to get all the gunk and things up off. And you want to scrub the bottom. And we're going to pretend I scrubbed all over the bottom of the shower, okay? Make sure you get your drain. Put your elbow grease into it. If there is stuff on the walls of your shower, you want to also spray the walls of the shower and then go in with your sponge and scrub. And then lastly, you're going to cut on your water. Now y'all don't have a spout that goes in your hands like this, but you can also use the top shower here and just move this around to spray and rinse out your shower. Okay, bye. Toilet area. Scrub the toilet, wipe the toilet seat, handle, and bottom toilet area. Take out bathroom trash if applicable.
Hey guys, it's Ms. Cundiff here. Guess what we're learning next? How to clean your toilet. All right, so first up, I'm gonna put my glove on, all right? Because I don't wanna touch this nasty toilet with my phalanges. So, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some wipes. Get a wipe out here, okay? Now, especially if I have a bar like this in my toilet area, I'm gonna also clean this off, because guess what happens when you flush your toilet? That stuff is spraying everywhere. So, I'm gonna take my wipe, I'm gonna get this nice and wiped off. Okay, I'm gonna move to the back of my toilet hardware. So I'm gonna get that handle, clean it real well, get all this dust off, all right? And then I'm gonna go around, okay? Now we're gonna get in here and clean up all this buildup. That area nice, all right? My wipe is getting a little questionable, so I'll just pretend I have a trash can here. I'm gonna throw my wipe, I'm gonna get another one. Get back to this. I'm gonna start cleaning my seat off. So first, I'm gonna do the top part here, and then I'm gonna flip it up. I'm gonna make sure I get the bottom, okay? All around here. Wipe up in these corners. I'm gonna get the whole front part, okay? And then, I'm gonna make sure I'm getting the front of the toilet. So I'm gonna get all this area cleaned down here, out in the base, all right? All right, guys. Another key area that we're not gonna forget about is the bottom of the toilet. So, I'm gonna take my wipe. I'm gonna have to kind of get down here, all right? And we're gonna make sure that we're cleaning the sides of our toilet all the way around here down on the hardware, okay? I'm gonna get all in this loop area. We're gonna do that same thing all around the toilet. I once heard someone say you can really tell how clean someone is by the back of their toilet. So don't forget the backs. Now I'm gonna move on to cleaning my toilet bowl. So, I'm gonna take my toilet cleaner, open this baby up. I'm gonna flip it like so. All right, and I'm going to pour it, I'm gonna spray it. I'm not gonna touch the toilet with the cap, but I'm gonna get it all up on the sides there, okay? Handy dandy spray brush. Okay, get it a little wet here, and I'm just gonna scrub this baby down. Okay, make sure I'm getting the whole bowl. All right, up here in the folds, just getting all these areas. I feel like I've got it nice and clean. Kind of rinse my brush off a little bit. All right. And then I'm gonna put it back in my base and voila, a clean toilet.
Vanity areas. Wipe down counters and sinks, clean mirrors, organize toiletries, and sweep and mop if needed.
Alright, so when it comes to the vanity, the first thing you want to do is clear off all the things off the vanity. If you have a bunch of stuff on your vanity, you want to get it out the way. And depending on how dirty your vanity is, you can either use a Clorox wipe. If you start to have like caked on grime and stuff, then you can also go in with the scrubbing bubbles and spray that on, and then use your sponge to scrub. But today we're just going to use a wipe because it's not super dirty. Alright, so first things first, you want to always get the hardware. And if there's water spots and stuff on it, you want to make sure that you wipe around it and get those areas. And then you want to get the white portion of the sink and get all the way down into the bowl and wipe off any spots that have accumulated. Okay, I'm going to get a new wipe. And then I'm going to do my counter surface, like so. And just give it a good wiping. Now, we also have glass wipes for the mirror. And you will just literally take a glass wipe out and scrub your mirror down. It's best to just keep it in the same direction so there's not a bunch of streaks. But then you have a clean vanity.
Informal room checks are Sundays following the Sunday meeting. Prefects will come around to each room following the Sunday meeting to ensure rooms are reset and cleaned for the week. You are expected to follow the suite cleaning schedule Sundays prior to the Sunday meeting and ahead of the Wednesday formal room check. Formal room checks will be Wednesdays while you're at school. Dorm parents will be entering your room on Wednesdays for a formal pass-fail room check. Your side of the room is your individual responsibility and is subject to a pass-fail documented check, while the shared spaces are an entire suite responsibility and will also be pass-fail. If any one of the tasks listed on each of these forms are incomplete, it will result in a room fail. Please observe the cleanliness expectations for both your individual side of your room and your suite. Thank you and happy cleaning!